Welcome to McMaster University Continuing Education Essential Programs and Corporate Custom Training webinar. We are delighted that you have joined us today learning more about how we can provide educational solutions to fit your organization's needs. My name is Patty Lago, and I will be facilitating today's session. Since 1887, McMaster University prides itself with inspiring critical thinking, personal growth, and a passion for lifelong learning. As a dedicated community partner and ranked as one of Hamilton and Niagara region's top 100 employers, we proudly serve the social, cultural, and economic needs of our community and our society. Putting our local Hamilton, Ontario on the map as an internationally renowned university, McMaster University is only one of 4 Canadian universities ranked in the top 75. In 2019, we were ranked second in the world in Time's Higher Education Universities Impact Rankings, based on the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, and in 2018 received the Global Teaching Excellence Award from the Higher Education Academy for our strengths in experiential learning and our commitment to global engagement. As Canada's most research-intensive medical doctoral university in 2017 and 2018, named by Research InfoSource, we are committed to the McMaster model, a problem-solving, student-centered approach to learning. We are very proud that we are the academic home to approximately 31,843 students representing over 118 countries and have more than 196,000 alumni representing 139 countries and 988 dedicated full-time faculty. Since 1931, McMaster's continuing education has inspired people to discover and achieve through lifelong learning. As one of Canada's largest and leading providers of professional development and corporate training, we offer more than 200 courses and workshops that blend both theoretical knowledge and practical application to help build employees' skills and expand their potential. Areas of focus would include the following: business and management, communication and design, health and social services. Whether you want to upgrade your team's current skills, earn a professional designation, or assist employees with transitioning and career change, McMaster's programs will open the doors to learning and accomplishment. McMaster's Continuing Education Essential Programs and Corporate Training has evolved into much more than an isolated event in today's industry marketplace. The work environment that we face today requires employees to multitask, to have excellent time management skills, and to easily adapt to constantly changing workplace. Professional development training and McMaster's essential programs for corporate customized training bears several significant advantages for both employers and employees, but only if it's implemented in a thoughtful way. Let's look at the advantages of offering corporate and custom training. Educated workplace. Every employee has some weaknesses, and a carefully devised corporate training program will allow employees to overcome challenges by gaining higher skills and knowledge. It reduces dependencies on workers who are more technically knowledgeable and helps employees to work independently without requiring much supervision and guidance. Increased efficiency in training programs and professional staff. Development leads to better efficiency and in turn to productivity. Trained employees can become better because of improved skill sets such as enhancing communication, the ability to think logically and critically, and apply information in an improved manner. They're able to adapt to change comfortably, which is a must in our current competitive evolving business world. Higher job satisfaction and lower attrition rate. Trained employees are happy employees, and happy employees translate into better performers. Employees who receive training are more likely to value and respect their organizations. This results in fewer resources being spent on attrition, hiring, and training new talent. By investing in staff professional development opportunities and implementing the right training programs, organizations may increase employee retention by keeping them satisfied, happy, and contributing to company prosperity. Our essential team is committed to working with you to find the best solution in achieving your personal and professional development goals. The essential classes are a collection of in-person half, 1, and 2-day training courses that are designed to be highly interactive, providing applied practical and professional skills that can be used immediately in the workplace. With open public enrollment opportunities, participants can network and work in group collaborative discussions with like-minded industry professionals across all sectors. Each course aligns with one or more of the 6 essential streams: business, communication, innovation, leadership, productivity, and team. When participants complete 5 full days of essential coursework and receive a passing grade in all of the required submitted evaluation assignments, a McMaster University Continuing Education Certificate of Completion can be awarded. Presently, we offer 2 types of certificates: Certificate of Completion geared towards an essential program, or a Certificate of Multi-Competency that is open to all essential programs. Our 1- and 2-day courses may also be considered as a possible elective credit in our Business Administration diploma. The essential programs are designed to be flexible, allowing participants to be able to go at their own pace, satisfying their needs and their schedules. Whether you're looking at essentials for professional development training or overall customized corporate training, there are several steps that can be taken to improving the odds for investing in either of these educational endeavors. Canvassing your team and asking them about their professional development goals. Connect the learning to your organization's strategic plan. Creating a positive learning climate. Removing any barriers to success such as time, space, and permission to fail. Enhancing employee engagement. Our essentials and customized training opportunities are taught by expert facilitators, offering highly interactive learning experiences which include assessments, templates, resources, and self-reflection practices that can be immediately applied in the workplace or personal life. From McMaster Continuing Education's perspective, a learning organization looks like a cultural work environment that offers the following: collaboration across all teams and departments, open communication, employees who are engaged, a learning library that is openly available to all employees, encourage the sharing of new ideas and knowledge in meetings, celebrating successes and confidently sharing failures as your team practices their new knowledge and skills. Now let's look at how we can see about the essential schedules from our website's perspective and how our courses are organized. To access the Essentials webpage, go to www.mcmastercce.ca/essentials-programs. Then you can access the schedule and fee information from the left-hand link. As previously shared, essential courses are open to the public. With more than 30 courses, there's sure to be something of interest for everyone. Popular courses include Leadership Foundations, Leading Millennials, Unconscious Bias as to how we make decisions, Emotional Intelligence, Strategic Planning, Project Management, Effective Business Writing, and Supervision Essentials, just to name a few. We are pleased to announce that in fall of 2020 and winter of 2021, we will be offering online learning opportunities with our essential courses being facilitated in an online delivery format using either Zoom or WebEx. Additionally, we are very pleased to announce that we will be launching 4 new essential courses, which are the following: Managing a Unionized Environment, Remote Work, Developing Strategies for Efficiency, How to Pick Up the Pieces, Leadership, Motivation, and Gratitude in Action, and Influencing Others with Confidence and Success. For our essential course fees, please note that this information is listed in the provided reference schedule and fees, and it can change anytime. Please ensure to check the fees before enrolling. While not every course may be offered annually, we do monitor interest and demand so that popular courses can be scheduled more frequently. Typically, we do try to rotate the courses so that they're offered at least every 18 months. But again, the courses that are in greater demand are scheduled more frequently. Please note that if you're interested in offering on-site customized training at your organization, we can take any of our essential courses and turn this type of learning into a customized learning opportunity to satisfy your team's learning needs. For the essential courses, now that you know what's available, let's look at how to enroll. After you've chosen the courses you're interested in, please to take note of their course code. The course code search toolbox would be the best place then for you to go next. Then you would enter the course codes into the keyword search button. Select the course and it will be added to the course selection box. Continuing adding all the courses you'd like before proceeding to checkout. Some courses have early registration deadline dates due to pre-work assignments, and some courses will fill up early, so please plan and register early. Additionally, for fall of 2020 and winter of 2021, we will have an enrollment deadline date scheduled 3 days prior to each of the Essentials course start date for administrative purposes. So if interested, please take note and register early. Thank you for joining us today. We hope that you've enjoyed our session and we thank you for your interest. For additional information, please feel free to visit our website at mcmastercce.ca, or should you have any questions, kindly feel free to email me directly at logop@mcmaster.ca. Take care, and we look forward to hearing from you.